everyone, welcome back to my channel and to the journey to making $1 million. My name is Elizabeth, and in this video I'm going to show you one of my revenue streams. It's going to be a pretty quick video, and this particular program is one that I've used to generate traffic. So I'll briefly explain it. I've actually done a video about this program before, but I'll give you a brief explanation really quickly. I use this website to, like I said, generate traffic, mostly to opt-ins, and then also to my YouTube videos. It's cold traffic. I'm going to be honest with you. It's not, you're not going to get a lot of conversions, but it's really good to go to get leads and to get opt-ins so that you can follow up and turn them into conversions eventually. So anyway, I'm going to show you how I make money from it. So let me go over here to my computer and bring it up. Okay, so it's called Rebrandable Traffic, and what you do is you set up campaigns and keywords and send people to your opt-ins or to your web page, whatever it is you want to do. But they have a referral program, and so this is referral traffic, and this is referral income, excuse me, that I'm getting just from sharing this website with other people. So let me just bring you to, I'm going to go to my referrals, and as you can see, these are my referrals. I've got quite a bit of them, but I'm going to show you the affiliate sales. So this is what I receive from anybody here that purchases any of the packages or the traffic. So right here, this is the amount that they paid. This is the commission that I get, and as you can see, you know, pretty good income here. I've got $15 from this one, $10 here, and then there's the lower ones, you know, 80 cents, but it all adds up. Okay, so this is really starting to snowball for me. It started out kind of slow, but the more you share, the more you tell people about these kind of programs and the tools that you use, obviously the more money that you can make. And I'll just show you really quickly. It's, like I said, I did a video on this already, and I'll link that in the description below so you can check it out. But yeah, this is what it is. You can create your own campaigns and send people places. You can get a traffic breakdown and see what they did. Okay, so that's rebrandable traffic. That's one of my income streams. It will probably make me, well, it depends on the month, of course, but you know, I've seen about $20 to $30 a month just from this, and I really haven't been promoting it that much. So the more I promote it and the more I tell people about it, then obviously that could easily go up. So I'll be showing you that in the future. And that's it for today's video, guys. Like I said, it's a short one, and I just wanted to show you one of my income streams, this one being from referral traffic. So if you are interested in this series, definitely subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you know when I'm uploading a new video. They should be coming out every Monday through Friday. And I'll just be taking you through on the journey to $1 million, and I will see you in the next video.